boAt Cine Head M1 Projector. Main features are native resolution, true Full HD 1080p, 1920 by 1080, for sharper image clarity without any upscaling compromises. Brightness, 200 ANSI lumens, which is over 33% brighter than the E1, giving it better usability in dimly lit rooms. Light source, LED lamp engine delivering up to 30,000 hours of life. Projection size, adjustable layout scaling from 30 inches up to 150 inches. Smart adjustments, equipped with dedicated front-facing sensors that enable autofocus and auto keystone correction, both vertical and horizontal, alongside intelligent obstacle avoidance. Illumination, delivers 200 ANSI lumens of brightness, optimized for dark or dimly lit rooms. Size and placement, projects a screen scaling from 30 inches up to 150 inches, backed by an LED lamp rated for 30,000 hours of life. Autofocus and keystone, built-in front sensors automatically sharpen the image and square the corners within seconds of moving the projector. Intelligent obstacle avoidance, automatically scales down or shifts the image to avoid objects on your wall, like light switches or photo frames. Android Smart OS, operates on an Android-based smart UI that provides native, out-of-the-box streaming for apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and Geo Hotstar. Audio hardware, features upgraded 6W dual speakers for decent standalone audio. It also supports Bluetooth V5.1 to wirelessly link external soundbars. Dual-band Wi-Fi, supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands for smooth, buffer-free streaming and lag-free wireless phone mirroring. Standout feature is a 360-degree rotatable stand integrated into a fabric-textured chassis, allowing you to easily project content onto walls, screens, or directly onto the ceiling.